All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Going to be doing a video tutorial today on how to add a custom token to your Exodus wallet. If you're starting off on your assets page, click on the bunch of symbols to the right of the dollar sign at the bottom of your screen. It's going to bring you to the profile page here. You're going to see assets all the way over here on the left. You're going to click on that. And then down here, you're going to see Add Custom Token. Click on that, and depending on what blockchain you're using, if it's an ERC20 token, you're going to be using Ethereum. If it's Binance Smart Chain, you're going to be using BNB Smart Chain. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using BNB Smart Chain. And you click on this, and you add your address here. And you can see I've added Baby Pangolin Coin to the list here. You click on that, and it's going to ask you if you want to add that token you're trying to add. You push Add Token, and it'll add to your assets page. So you can see it's added the token. Again, if you want to add your token, go to the Add Custom Token. If you're using ERC20, it's Ethereum. If you're using BNB, it's a BEP20 token, and they have all the blockchains here, depending on what chain you're using. So I hope this video helps, guys, and if you could subscribe to the channel, much appreciated.